Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So today we are going to continue with the same lesson. We have left one topic, that is research and development. है ना? So we are going to complete that topic and then we'll move on to the exercise. Okay? So open your book, take out page number 18, lesson 3, uses of computers. Okay? In this lesson, we have studied the uses of a computer, in how many ways we use a computer and at which places we use, है ना, in which field we use computers. Okay? So now we'll see the last place where we use computers, in which way, है ना, how we use. So the last one is research and development, right? Research and development, as we all know, our scientists use computers for research, right? They use computers for research and then they find out many things. Like for example, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग। आप सबको पता होगा, न्यूज़ में हमें बताते हैं या हमारे फ़ोन में भी हमें नोटिफिकेशंस आते हैं या न्यूज़पेपर में आता है ना, लाइक टुमारो इट विल बी रेनिंग और टुमारो इट विल बी सनी, है ना, इट विल रेन so heavily, है ना. These informations we get, how we get from our scientists, right? They do researchers and they find out how will be the climate or how will be our atmosphere and whatever it is, they use computer for the research, right? And as you know, have you heard about the rockets? Yes, the rockets and the missiles, these all are developed using computers, right? Scientists do researches for long time and then they find out the correct formulas and the proper way how they can develop these all things, and then they manufactures or they discover the new things using computers. Okay, so now we'll move on to the exercise, and before that, on page number 19, see, on page number 19 there is one topic given, activity time. We'll do that first and then we'll move on to the exercise. Okay, so see, in this activity time, what is it? Activity time, right? इसमें आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिला हुआ है, match the following. Okay, so the first question in your activity time is match the following. Okay, so there are 4 pictures shown in your book. You have to find out which one is matching with the given names. Okay, so I'm not drawing the pictures, I'm just making this square boxes to suppose that these are the pictures. Okay, now we will write the options here. Option A, making bills and write lists. Option B, playing games. Option C, booking and cancelling tickets. Option D, sending and receiving emails. Okay, so these are the four options and these we suppose as our pictures. Okay, now we have to match the correct ones. Okay, so see, the first picture is showing a reception, right, of ticket. It is a counter where we can book our tickets. Okay, so there are customers standing and employees making booking tickets and cancelling tickets. Okay, so we'll match A with option C. Then the second one, sending and receiving emails. Okay, the person is sending and receiving emails. Then the third one, making bills and price list. Okay, the third one is making bills and price list. And the fourth one, a child is playing games. So we'll match it with option B. Is that clear, everyone? You have to match it the same way. Okay? Do it with your pencil, everyone. I'm giving you 1 minute. Done? Okay. Now we'll move on to the exercise. Okay? On the same page number, we'll start with our exercise. On page number 19, exercise of lesson 3, uses of computers. Okay, so the first question is, tick the correct option. Okay, so the first question is tick the correct option. We are given 4 questions, three questions, and each question carries 3 options. We have to tick on the correct option. Okay, so I'm going to write down the first question. First question is, at home a computer helps us to, there are 3 options. Option A, cook. Option B, pray. Option C, do homework. Okay, now we have to select the right option for the question. What is the question? I'm reading it again. Look into your book, everyone. At home, a computer helps us to. Why we use computer at home? To cook? No. To print? No. Then why we use? Yes, to do homework. At home, a computer helps us to do homework. So, click on the last option. Down. Question number 2. In blanks, computers help in keeping records of patients. So again there are 3 options. Option A, hotels. Option B, banks. Option C, hospitals. So what is it? What is the question? In dash, computers help in keeping records of patients. In this question, they are asking that at which place computer helps us to keep record of patients. So when it is asked about a patient, simply we can guess the answer, है ना? At hotels, patients के reports हम hotels में रखते हैं? No. Banks? No. Hospitals. Okay? So at hospitals, है ना? In hospitals, computers helps in keeping records of patients. So click on the last option, option C, hospitals. Now see the third one. Computers are also useful in forecasting. What we forecast using computers? Option A, accidents. क्या हम एक्सीडेंट्स को फोकस कर सकते हैं? फोकस मीन्स पहले से पता लगाना कि क्या होने वाला है, राइट? लेकिन क्या हम एक्सीडेंट्स का पता लगा सकते हैं पहले से ही? नो, इट हैपन्स बाय चांस, है ना? सो एक्सीडेंट्स नहीं है. देन सेकेंड वन, weather. Can we forecast weather using computers? Yes. And option C, wars. क्या हम wars को forecast कर सकते हैं? No. They are well planned, right? Wars तो तब होते हैं जब हम कुछ planning के साथ कर रहे होते हैं, right? So the correct option is weather. Weather means climate और जो मौसम बनता है कि कल बारिश होगी कि नहीं, कल कैसा मौसम है, कल धूप रहेगा, छाव, कैसा मौसम है, ये पता कर सकते हैं हम कंप्यूटर यूज करके. कौन पता करता है? साइंटिस्ट, राइट? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज वेदर. नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, राइट? So in question number B, what is given? Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay. So I'll write down the questions first, then we'll answers. Then I'll ask you the answers. Okay. So you have to. Okay. So now question number B, fill in the blanks. I have written the questions. Now we will find out the correct answers. Okay. So the first one is, the computer helps us to watch dash. Okay. There are options given in a box. है ना? We have to find out the correct one. A computer helps us to watch movies, right? We use computers for watching movies also. So write down movies in the first blank. Now the second one, the computer helps in keeping details of books in the library. है ना? A computer helps in keeping details of books in the library. लाइब्रेरी में बुक्स होते हैं, उनके डिटेल्स और उनके सारे रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करने के लिए हम कंप्यूटर्स यूज करते हैं, राइट? Now the third one, at airports we use computers for booking. Airports में हम कंप्यूटर किस लिए यूज करते हैं? For booking tickets, right? Tickets. So third में tickets. Now the fourth one, dash films are mostly made on computers. किस तरह के फिल्म्स हम कंप्यूटर यूज करके बनाते हैं? एनिमेटेड, ग्राफिक्स वाले, राइट? सो ये एनिमेशन और ग्राफिक्स किस में होते हैं? cartoons. Okay. So write down cartoons in the fourth blank. Cartoon films are mostly made on computer. Now the last one, computers helps in lengthy dash and analysis. Okay, so lengthy calculations, right? So the last option is calculations, right? We can use calculator in our computer for lengthy calculations and analysis. Okay. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now we have completed with our tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. That is question number A and question number B. Now we'll continue with the same lesson. We'll do question answers in our next class. Till that, learn the tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. Okay. Afterwards, we'll write down the question answers in the classwork copy. Okay. Till that, learn these questions. Okay. Good day, everyone.